Hello friends, it's Danny here at Danny's Dreams, and we are at day 26 of my tag a day November. For today's tag, I used the Sunny Studio Mini Matte in tag 3, which is this one's here. I used the Ink and Splatter Twinkleberry Winter Paper Pad, very pretty. And I used this newly released stamp set from Ink and Splatter, Positively Winter. Has some cute puppy dogs that are in the winter time skiing and skating and tubing. So fun and so cute. And there is my tag for today. Love that paper. Just put on some cardstock. Added a few gems that I guess I put away there by Honeybee. And some ribbon that I found in my stash that was from Stampin' Up! Who knows how long ago. Sparkly silver there. And there is my tag for day 26. Oh, so cute. Thanks so much for stopping by. I will be back tomorrow for day 27. Go do something crafty and maybe make a tag. See you later.